What's the meaning of colorist? Colorist. Colorist.
Colorist. Colorist. A colorist is a professional who specializes in manipulating the colors of an image or video to create a desired aesthetic or emotional effect. In the film and video industry, colorists work closely with cinematographers and directors to achieve a cohesive visual style for the project. They use specialized software and hardware to adjust various aspects of color, including hue, saturation, brightness, and contrast. The end result is a final product that looks polished and visually engaging, with colors that help convey the intended mood or tone of the project.